Have you ever walked into a living room that just feels expensive and designer, but you can't figure out why? In this video, I'm breaking down how to design smaller living rooms with a few simple strategies to elevate your space. I designed this small living room to feel elevated and modern, and I'm sharing 6 styling tips with you that make a big difference. Tip number 1, start with a strong layout. Before designers choose furniture or decor, they start with the layout. I placed a curved sofa and 2 accent chairs to balance the room and create a conversation zone. If your room includes a TV, place a media console underneath and style it seasonally with books, vases, bowls, candles, or sculptural objects. Tip number 2, choose a cohesive color palette. I used warm, earthy tones with a burnt orange sofa as the focal point and grayish blue swivel chairs. Select 3 main tones and repeat them throughout the space using the 60-30-10 color rule. 60% of a dominant color for walls or large furniture, 30% as a secondary color, and 10% as an accent color for decor and accessories. Tip number 3, the designer pillow formula. Style your sofa with pillows in varying sizes. Pair a 12 by 20 pillow with 18 to 22 inch square pillows. For a plush look, purchase pillow inserts 2 inches larger than pillow covers. Tip number 4, layer your lighting. Layered lighting makes a room feel cozy in the evening and adds depth that makes a room feel more sophisticated. Lighting needs to be layered to create warmth and dimension. This design includes a statement chandelier that anchors the room, wall sconces, and a floor lamp for softer ambient lighting. Tip number 5, style your coffee table. Use the rule of 3 to group objects with different heights and textures. Add a stack of coffee table books as a base layer. Next, add a sculptural object like a ceramic vase, a decorative object, or a small bowl. Finally, add florals or greenery. For round coffee tables, arrange in a loose triangular formation. Tip number 6, add texture to make a room look expensive. Layer materials to create depth and warmth. Add wallpaper, soft upholstery, marble surfaces, and warm brass accents as layers of texture to your room. Texture is what makes a room feel rich and cozy even when the pieces themselves are affordable. I've included similar shop the look options linked below to recreate the look in your home. If you enjoy cozy, modern interior design ideas like this, subscribe for new design tips, inspiration, and links so you can achieve similar looks in your home. Thanks for watching.